What's up guys, Jason back with another video. Today I want to talk to you guys about this right here. The reason is I'm trying to upgrade the one that I'm currently using, which is the one that I'm using right now to record this video before I actually start using this baby. I do think that's like a pretty good budget tripod, and I know a lot of you guys, you probably really interested in making videos, taking pictures, and some of you are trying to start up your YouTube. If any of you guys watched the first tripod video that I posted probably about 2 years ago, probably more, this is the one that I'm still using right now to record this video, but it's just breaking down like crazy. Like this is it's terrible right now. It's just terrible, and I just don't see myself to really keep using that one. So you guys, we're just going to open it and see what's in there and what's not, but we already know it's pretty much 3 main items. Let's get to it. We have the ring light set right here, about 6 inches ring light. That's the front mount. Here's how far it can go. It should fit whatever kind of fun you're trying to record on. So here's the tripod. Okay. I'm feeling a well-built tripod, you know. It's right here, you know. Legs are like firm, really firm. Here's your control. Like if you try to move this around, you can pretty much move it and put your phone in the direction you would like to. And once you set it like this, you just want it to stay that way, and you go ahead and lock it up, and you just screw it like this. So as you can see, this is not, you know, it's pretty much staying in one place. It's not moving or anything like that. And you know, when you unscrew it, now it's free, you can move it. And one thing that I do realize, you can even unscrew this right here. I'm wondering if they actually put it that way. So let's say you have a camera and it has a longer drive where you can like screw it all the way down. Maybe it meant to stay that way with the camera or cell phone. 42 inches, and if you want to use it as a vlogging tripod, you just do it like that. And as you can see, it has these 2 signs right here. This is lock and unlock. So pretty much if it got stuck like this, maybe it's locked, and you want to do it like that. You just want to turn it on the unlock sign. You just do it like that, and then you just push it in. Okay, what you do, you press the on off button like this. That's it right here. So I feel like this will give a good idea on how bright the light is, and they do have like about 3 different colors. So you got this, and oh, I didn't even know about that. You can actually dim the light. Okay, once you press the plus button, you can even make it brighter. That is so cool. This is more of like a soft light color. You have this one, which I consider has a daylight color. So you have daylight, white bright. You can get at Best Buy for less than $50. Thank you guys for watching this video, and hopefully that can help you out to kind of like figure out if that will be a good option for you to go ahead and get this tripod. If you're new, I invite you to subscribe, join the crew.